Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. I'm making another YouTube video. Yes, I know it's been a while. Several months. As you can clearly see, the reason I've stopped woodworking is because I've been turned into a floating head. Gotcha! I'm here. This is me, and these are my human hands, and I also have human legs. I promise. Today we are going to make something out of plywood because I'm a high roller and I got that plywood money these days. Yeah. That joke might not age well. I don't know. But right now it's very expensive. Okay, well, those who have seen stuff I've done in the past, last time we did a plywood bar top, and we're going to be making a matching set to fit into that space where I installed the last one. Except this one we're going to be doing a little bit differently. We learned from our mistakes last time. We're going to be doing it better than ever. Just don't tell the other one. I still love him. I'm going to love this one differently. Okay, let's make stuff. As you can see here, we have gathered the plywood, we have gathered the specialized bonding tool, and here we have the paste wax. The first thing we will be doing is we will take the slices of plywood, we will bond them to each other on top of the specialized bonding tool. Since we do not want them to stick together between the plywood and the tool, we will be applying a healthy dose of the paste. This is the paste. Using the rag, we will apply the paste wax to the surface of the tool. Like so. Okay, the tool has been waxed, and now we are going to start putting in the plywood pieces. They are 1.5 inches wide and 3/4 inch thick. Glue them together like so, and I'll be cutting them up to random lengths throughout as I install it, because I want to have a more organic feel and not have a constant length between all the pieces. So, I'll show you in a minute. Time for the pants to come off. Come on, let's go. now, the moment of truth has arrived. I can't put it off anymore. It's time to start sanding. Let me show you this. Okay, yep. Along for the bumpy ride. Okay, so this is the surface as it looks right now. And some of you may be thinking, Eric, you've got to be crazy to design a project where you're forced to have to sand all this smooth. And to those people, I would say, hello, you must be new here. My name is Eric. Because yes, that is exactly what I'm going to do. And it's very boring to watch. So I'll try and save you from most of it. Okay, here goes. Well, here we are, a couple of days later. Let's show you what a little sanding does to that thing. So, here we are. Looking a lot better than last time you saw it. You really see that grain popping out from the plywood end grain. And it's starting to look really good. So now, let's talk about how we're going to make it look even better by putting a nice finish on it. Now that the sanding has been completed, we will prepare the wood for its final protective coat. We will do this with a combination of the Danish oil that you see here and the forgetting something. What is this that you speak? You interrupt me? Oh, just saying you're forgetting something. How are you going to attach it to the wall? Anyone think about that yet? Didn't think so. Maybe we should talk about that. So I'm thinking of making some brackets out of some plywood. So let's start with the base plate. Let's make it square. Okay, now let's chop off these corners. Yeah, that's better. Let's put a nice little chamfer on the edge just so it looks nice and clean. Yeah, look at that. That's much better. Now, I'm going to use a router and make a little channel right through the middle of it. Like that. And that'll allow us to center the rest of the bracket on this base plate. Speaking of the bracket, let's take some scraps of plywood and let's see what they turn into. Get this out of the way. And let's see what we got. Yeah, that should work nicely. So, sits right in that groove, and yeah, I think we have a winner here. That will do nicely. There, that should do it for you. So, I guess I also have to come up with a plan for how to attach these. Okay, well, yeah, I got an idea.
Okay. Let's finish this thing.